Thank you for watching Price Like a Pro with ProPricer. ProPricer helps provide government contractors and federal agencies with the estimating and pricing methods that increase accuracy, provide flexibility in the configuration of your various proposal inputs and outputs, and allows for faster turnaround times so that real data analysis can be performed before any looming deadlines.
Have you ever been in a situation where your resource codes have been changed or updated for the next fiscal year or calendar year? Decided to see if it were more profitable to use one labor category versus another? How about changing your job codes from one site to another? Instead of having to go to each WBS and task in your proposal, find the outdated inputs, and then update them to their new values, use resource switching as a fast and easy way to find resources and replace their value to any other valid resource from your direct rate table. You even have the option to choose whether you want all or a portion of those inputs to change. Even better, performing the switch on the copy of your proposal means you can compare the two versions against each other to see how the changes impacted the price of your proposal.
If you would like to see even more features that ProPricer has to offer to help streamline your pricing process, check out the other videos on our resources page at ProPricer.com. Thanks for watching.